Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order and pay on Temu website. For that, first of all, you need to come on temu.com, and over here you need to make sure that you are logging into your account, or if you don't have an account, make sure that you create your account here first. Now once you have done that, you will see a bunch of different items on the home page. So you need to select your favorite item and you need to add that item in your cart. Now here you need to make sure that your cart value is more than $10. So after adding the item in your cart, you need to simply go to your cart, and here you will see your cart that will look something like this. So here you can basically add any item if you want, or you can delete if you want any item, if you don't want any item. So you need to simply tap on the option of checkout here, and once you tap on checkout, it will redirect you on the next page where you will have to basically provide your contact details and your personal information. After that, after selecting your favorable payment method, you just have to simply conclude your payment. Once your payment is done, your order will be placed, which you will be able to track with the help of the order tab or the order section here, and this way you will be able to place order on the Temu website. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.